Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Davi and I work as a freelancer and I'm from Indonesia. I wanted to ask that what is the ruling on eating ramen that contains mirin? If someone doesn't know that the ramen contains mirin, does he get a sin for his actions? Thank you, Mr. Fariq. First, let us understand what is ramen and what is mirin. Ramen, it is a kind of Japanese dish and it is noodles that is cooked along with meat and vegetables in a broth. Now, many a times this ramen, it contains mirin. What is mirin? Mirin, it is a kind of rice. It is alcohol that is used in certain dishes. So many a times, mirin, it is put and mixed along with ramen in the Japanese way of eating food. So whenever an individual is going to a Japanese restaurant, and we know that in Japan, many a times they drink alcohol, the food it is not halal, and they use alcohol in their dishes. So when you are going to a Japanese restaurant, and if they are serving ramen, so see to it that you ask the chef or you ask the people who are in charge in the restaurant that does this ramen contain alcohol and the meat as well. You should ask them that is it halal. And we know that in the Western countries, especially in countries like USA, UK, the fast food joints like McDonald's and other joints, they generally do not serve, the meat is not halal, the chicken is not halal. So when we are going to such restaurants, we should verify regarding the meat. Same case in the Japanese restaurant. So whenever you're going and whenever you're eating ramen, verify and see to it that you ask the chef that is alcohol being used in this dish of ramen. And if you do ask the chef or the waiter, and if you have done proper research, and then after that, if it happens so that there was alcohol that was present, then inshallah Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive you because you took the precautions. But if you do not take any precautions, and then if you go to such restaurants, and you knowing that in Japan, for example, in ramen, it is widely known that alcohol is used, then but natural, it is wrong. So I hope that answers your question.